Welcome to finding the equation of a line. First thing we're going to look at is horizontal lines. They will have the equation y equals some value wherever it crosses the y-axis. And vertical lines will have the equations x equals, and that's wherever that vertical line crosses the x-axis. So a couple of quick examples. So here's a horizontal line. That means it's in the form of y equals, and notice it crosses the y-axis at -2. So the equation is y equals -2. Here's a line that's vertical, and it passes the x-axis at 3. So its equation is x equals 3. Next one, we're going to use a formula to find the gradient of a line between 2 points. So the gradient is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when we have 2 points, we can find the gradient between those 2 points. So an example, we're going to find the gradient of the line between the points -2, 0 and 0, 4. So first you plot those 2 points, you draw a line through them, and you label one set. So we're going to label -2, 0 as x1, y1, and the other set, 0, 4 in this case, is x2, y2. Doesn't matter the order you label them. Just for this purpose, we're labeling it x1, y1 as -2, 0, and the other set is x2, y2. So using the formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, just plugging in those numbers. So you get 4 minus 0 over 0 minus -2, which gets you 4 over 2, or 2. So the gradient of that line is 2. To find the equation of a line, we use the formula y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So we're going to find the equation of the line that passed through those 2 points we did before. So note, we already knew the gradient was 2. That was previous. And for this purpose, we're just going to use the x1, y1. We could use the x2, y2 in there and we get the exact same answer. But for this purpose, let's use the x1, y1. So our formula is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So that's y minus 0 equals 2 outside of x minus -2. And expanding the 2, you get y equals 2x plus 4. Thank you.